Today we're not going to be in my garden. We're going to be over at my friend India's. She lives in a townhouse and we're going to be planting on her balcony. We're going to put in a couple of tomatoes and peppers. The strawberries that are shown are from last year when we planted those up. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. But today we're not in my garden. We're over at my friend's house and I have grown some tomatoes and peppers for her. And this year I am allowing her to plant the peppers themselves. Do you want to say hey to the people?
Hello, everyone.
All right, so these are strawberries that we planted in her box last year. And the strawberries came back and she's got tons of strawberries growing on them this year. I don't remember the name of the one, but I have some that have a red flower and a white flower, and clearly these are the ones with the red flower. So yeah, we're gonna continue on. I gave her determinate tomatoes for this box so that they don't, grow as tall and as wild as a regular tomato. So yeah, we picked up this planter box last year at, where did we get this at, India?
I think Sam's Club.
Sam's. So yeah, we're doing the thing here today. All right, guys, I will come back once the box is already planted up. Look at her. Mind you, this is one of the friends that I've talked about in my videos who don't garden. They don't understand where the food comes from. I would be like, oh, I planted peppers. And then the next week they're like, where are the peppers? It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. So yeah, I'm very proud. I'm very proud of my friend for, I guess me, years of beating her down and begging her to do this. All right, I'll be back later. Oh, no. Okay, guys, this is a porter. And look at those roots. She is ready to be planted. And I've explained to India that we need to go as deep in the hole as we can because tomatoes like to be buried deep. So, all right. Good job. Okay, and I explained to her that we don't want any suckers growing in between the Y. So, come on back. So what are we gonna do with this right here?
We are going to pull that one off.
Do you see these nails? She's really making a sacrifice being out here.
I am.
All right, there you go. Yep. Do you see any more?
Is this one and this one?
Is it between the Y?
It is.
Do you remember what those are called?
No.
Suckers.
Oh, suckers. There. Life suckers.
Yeah, that's it. That's really what they are.
Oh, okay.
They're just sucking the life out of the plant. We don't want that. Oh, it looks good. All right. Very nice. What are we planting, India? What is that one?
This is the blueberry.
All right, our blueberry tomato is going in. And look at that. She remembered to plant it deep. So we have a nice deep hole to plant her in. Oh yeah, I'm working on my friends. We're gonna develop a co-op soon. It'll be Black Girls Gardening. Black Girls Gardening Virginia edition. Like, yeah. All right. Where's that?
Oh, I was like, what was
Like, where's our tomato? And this is the Crimson Sprinter, another determinate tomato. I'm like, yep, I'm trying to be considerate of the growing space so that we, like I said, I'm trying to only do determinate tomatoes. We're all done and we're watering. Everybody getting a nice drink of water. Everybody's got fertilizer, good soil. We're watered. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's probably like 80 degrees. And we're expected to get rain for the next, I don't know what, like 4 or 5 days. I'm like, and just FYI, we have planted basil seeds in between of the peppers and the tomatoes in this box. And we've put basil seeds in each of the tomato pots. I'll come back with an update video in a month's time.